Hundreds of people, including activists, held protest rallies across Balochistan on Wednesday and demanded a fair probe by the Canadian government into the mysterious death of prominent Baloch activist Karima Baloch in Canada's Toronto this week. Karima was known as a vocal critic of the Pakistan Army and government atrocities in Balochistan.
Protest rallies were carried out in different cities across Balochistan on Wednesday against alleged killing of prominent Baloch leader and activist Karima Baloch, who was found dead under mysterious circumstances this week in Canada's Toronto. Hundreds of people, including activists, demanded a fair probe by the Canadian government into the death of Karima, who was a vocal critic of the Pakistan Army and the government atrocities in Balochistan. The 37-year-old Baloch activist was a refugee in Canada and campaigned extensively against enforced disappearances and human rights violations in the troubled Balochistan province.
There must be a thorough investigation, because this is something that creating fear among the Baloch diaspora for their safety and security. Because the Baloch, they fled their country to be secure in West and to raise their voice against the injustices that are happening in Balochistan with their people.
Human rights activists have called for a thorough investigation into Karima Baloch's death, alleging it may have been carried out by state actors. The dissidents and critics of the Pakistani authorities live under constant fear as they are subjected to atrocities for raising their voices, and in order to avoid persecution are compelled to seek asylum in Western countries.